Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about the top 5 must-have gadgets for tech enthusiasts in 2023. These are all great devices that will help you stay connected, entertained, and productive. So let's get started. 1. Apple Watch Series 7. The Apple Watch Series 7 is the latest and greatest smartwatch from Apple. It has a larger, more durable display, a faster processor, and a longer battery life. It's also water resistant up to 50 meters, so you can wear it swimming or showering. 2. Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. The Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra is the best Android phone on the market. It has a huge, beautiful display, a powerful processor, and a versatile camera system. It's also one of the most expensive phones on the market, but it's worth it if you're looking for the best of the best. 3. Sony WH-1000XM4 Headphones. The Sony WH-1000XM4 headphones are the best noise-canceling headphones on the market. They block out a ton of noise, so you can focus on your music or work without distractions. They also have great sound quality and a long battery life. 4. G-Mavic 3 Drone. The G-Mavic 3 drone is the best consumer drone on the market. It has a 4/3 CMOS sensor that captures stunning 4K video and 20MP photos. It also has a long flight time and a variety of intelligent flight modes. 5. Nintendo Switch OLED. The Nintendo Switch OLED is the best version of the Nintendo Switch. It has a larger, OLED display that makes games look amazing. It also has a longer battery life and a kickstand, so you can play it in tabletop mode more comfortably. So those are my top 5 must-have gadgets for tech enthusiasts in 2023. I hope you found this video helpful. All the links to the gadgets mentioned in this video are available in the video description below. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more tech reviews and tutorials. Thanks for watching.